This is Big Roddys vlog. We're here in Shasta Trinity Forest, and it's pouring fucking rain. Here, I'll get the camera wet. It's
Monsooning!
It's
Monsooning! We're gonna do some epic four-wheel driving in the rain.
Oh, absolutely.
We're gonna go smash that creek that we did last time.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be
Rev limiter. Going up all the mud.
Dude, it's gonna be ripping.
I know, it's gonna be rad.
Go buy some fishing poles at the local market.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, dude, look at that sexy unit up there, bro.
Oh.
Dude, all the taillights are working. That's rare for those Fords.
It is. We're here.
Eating cheese chili dog. Look at this man.
In the rain.
In the rain. It's pouring rain.
It's a mess, bro. This is a mess.
Dude, you can see this? Look at this goop. It looks so good, doesn't it?
Give me some Chick-fil-A sauce on here.
Oh, Chick-fil-A sauce. I got you.
Give me a lime.
A lime? What about a massive glob? Yeah. Oh,
Beautiful.
got held. Oh! Is that
That's fucking amazing.
the Chick-fil-A sauce? That made it best.
Best thing ever.
Look at him go.
That second one, I got some air.
Yeah, you did. You went a little slow on the first one.
I did. Well, it was like so fast. I didn't want to smash into the second one.
Sure you don't want to absolutely.
I want to hit like just a clean one. That's
Okay, let's hit a clean one.
let's go.
Alrighty. He's gonna try going up this and launching here. Looks like a pretty good little ramp. He's got to fucking floor it though.
How is that?
I think you're gonna need to floor it coming up
I
there.
need more power.
You need to.
I need to put it in lower gear.
Yeah, start in one and just fucking go for it. Was that to the floor?
No.
Alrighty, here he comes. Oh yeah!
That actually felt really smooth in here.
That was significantly better than the other one. I think even if you got even more speed, it'd be even smoother because it'd land on both wheels at the same time.
Yeah. I want to try and get more.
Yeah, just floor it, actually.
I was kind of flooring it.
Just, dude, I need to hear it fucking 6K, bro. Oh, he stayed on it in the air. You know, you don't want to just keep the throttle on when you're in the air. You know, bam!
Oh my god.
I think you're lucky.
That just blows something up.
I think you're lucky. We gotta find one that's on more flat ground because
Yeah.
this 3.4 don't got it in there.
It
to
don't
go
got
this
it in
hill.
there.
Yeah. Wow. Alrighty, we just tested out a few other ones. And these ones over here seem actually pretty good. So we're gonna give it a shot. Fuck yeah, bud. Doing a little rooster. Yeah. Oh god. Woo! That was nice. God damn. Dude, those are the icon suspension for you and those beavers. Fucking baller.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. You got some air over there.
I did. I definitely felt it.
Woo! We're going! Hit the bottom! Woo! 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 That's pretty smooth.
I know, isn't it? She's fucking smooth.
It's also only like 1 foot of air.
I
so.
mean, come on. Versus stock suspension, that's pretty fucking good.
That's pretty fucking good. I think you need to put some valves in these. Oh god. Oh fuck. She did it!
Too easy.
I was worried you were gonna high center on that.
Fuck no.
Oh hell no,
These
dude.
Toyotas.
Dude, these fucking 33s and that
33's fuck no.
and that 1.5 inch lift.
That's right, dude.
God damn. The gate's open.
Should we go poop?
No, we're good. Should we go get some night crawlers though?
Yeah. Let's go get a fishing license.
Let's go get some fishing licenses.
Going up the river! In the river after hitting whoops today, and we went on a boat ride. But I didn't record the boat ride because we were just chilling.
Just chilling.
We're fighting these rapids right now. You know, we're putting up a real good fight. The 4-horse, she's almost at max rip right now, and we are barely moving. Look at this bush.
We're gonna get past
I
this
want to
thing.
try kicking her up a notch.
We're gonna go around this corner. Oh yeah, kick her up. Oh, fuck.
She's ripping now, bud. Dude, we're beating Mother Nature right now. I think look at that stick. We might get fucked up right here. We might. We are currently traversing horizontally. We're about to hit a real ripper right now. There's quite a bit of turbulence going on here. Just look at the way it's switched back.
I know.
I can't keep her straight. I don't think we... Here, kick her up a notch.
Oh,
There we go.
changing our weight distribution.
For maximum efficiency. We are barely moving.
Oh my God.
Look at those rapids up there.
Woo! We're ripping so fast.
Holy fuck.
I don't know if we're gonna make it under this bridge.
No, we fucking got it, bro. We got this. Avon has it.
Dude, we're not moving.
Yeah, we are. We're ripping. We're not quite going backwards yet. We're not going backwards yet. We're still going forward.
We're still
We're
going.
getting close to that point. Oh my God. We're doing it!
She's ripping, dude. Is she warm?
Oh, dude, she's nice.
We need a little jet boat.
We do.
Get a little jet boat where you go right up this.
Look at that shit.
Do we have a chance?
Fuck yeah!
Fuck
We
yeah!
got this in the bag, boys!
Easy. Dude, the Mastercraft could never.
Never.
We're flipping this
Hold on,
thing.
I'm scared.
There's no way.
I'm scared.
Hey, hold on.
Really?
Hand me the controls if you're getting scared. I think we're good.
Wait, what do I do? How do I turn it off?
Just turn it down. Off.
Fuck. Oh, we got it.
Dude, that's like a V5 hold. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I can get out and then try and just rope us.
Yeah, do that.
Oh, it's just a slippery rock.
I know. We are being chilling now. There's a nice little pocket here. You think there's any fish in here? I think right here. Quite possibly some fish. Dude, there's a tunnel. That's pretty cool. That is some gnarly rapids.
Probably don't want to get in that or something.
No, I don't think the 4-horse could do it.
It'd be fine.
I don't know.
This is a river raft.
This is a river raft. We might have to test it out.
Dude, I say no motor.
No motor down. Can it steer?
Get in the rapids, no motor.
Okay. Just straight up raft it?
Yeah.
Okay. How are we gonna steer though?
You don't steer.
Oh, just take.
Well, we got a paddle.
Oh, you're right. We got a paddle. We're chilling. But we'll get you the update. You're scaring away all the fishes. Shut the fuck up. Dude, fuck those guys. They got fucking like 5 noisemakers on there. God damn, bro. Unbelievable.
Beautiful.
Unbelievable.
I like the noise though. We're doing a
Shut
lot
the
of
fuck
things.
up. We have not caught a single fish. All my night crawlers are dead. Francis is using the gigantic night crawler, so he's not going to ever catch a fish with that. Dude, Francis' night crawlers will probably scare away the fish. Bro, it's ginormous. She's fucking massive. Yeah, let's put her back in the water. Alright. I think our next update is when we don't catch a fish. Too cold. It's too fucking cold, bro. The fish are freezing. Which I know is not the right logic, but you know. We might also want to jump in the water.
Definitely not.
Definitely
We're gonna
not.
get into some warmer clouds.
Unfortunately, yesterday we are unable to continue our fishing journey because my dad showed up. But we have tried to recover, but today we went on the boat and it started raining. It did. Not very good. But you know, we recovered now. We're currently ripping off-road.
Oh look, where we are. This is over the lake.
Oh!
Oh, whoa.
Oh shit.
You know where we are? I know where we are.
I know where we are as well. Whoa. That's kind of, actually, I don't know if we are.
Yeah, we are. Antler's right down there.
No, the water's moving a lot here.
No, that's because I remember that RV was parked right over there.
Oh, wait, no, that's just wakes on the water. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, so basically,
Whoa, there's a million bugs in there.
it was not a cliff. And yeah, there is a million bugs in the air.
Bug on the number line.
Bugs on the number lines.
Jet ski.
Bruh, look at these guys.
Dude, what about those guys? I hate to be one of those guys over there.
One of these guys, yeah, that would be kind of catastrophic. Imagine trying to camp there. Continuing,
We sustained damage.
we have sustained trail damage. A missing blinker. But we can put the bulb there and it still blinks.
Mint.
You should rewire so your blinkers come out here.
I might
And
do
then
that.
you get a pre-runner bumper. They literally have a donut area for us. Oh. Yeah. You don't have your locker engaged.
Oh, yes I do.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. And we're gonna hit some fucking bumps. Oh shit! I lost my seatbelt on. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but. Woo! Fucking ripping, bud. Oh my lordy lord.
Those rocks stood no chance for the icons.
Yeah, dude, the icons are supreme to the rocks. There's like a food chain. It's like icons, rock, stock suspension, no, rock. Yeah, slider. That's pretty good. No trains, it would appear.
I don't know, Roddy.
We can just go.
Yeah, we're jamming.
We found a lock nut.
For a train.
Put your tongue through it.
Yeah. Too gross.
Yeah. Yeah. Check out this brake shoe. A little bit bigger than some. Dude, might even be bigger than Bugatti brakes. Would you say?
I don't know. Those are more like Tesla super truck brakes.
Wow. We're live. No, do one next. You're one next.
Okay, we're one now.
Just tap on one.
We're on one.
Okay. Big Roddys vlog. We're here. Final day on the lake. No hands, autopilot. But we might ride a jet ski today. Roy's jet ski. Probably won't record anything while my dad's here because I don't feel comfortable recording in front of my dad. But, you know, we're gonna go on a rip. I might get up on the skirt for carve to wave a little bit. Yeah.
How was that?
That was good. Good one.
You want to try again? You want to get in?
Oh yeah, it's got to go again.
Oh, go again.
I'll give it another shot.
Just try and keep your weight back more. You failed because you put your weight on your front foot.
Didn't fail.
Well, you didn't fail. You
I
fell.
went over the front.
Yeah. But your back leg gets really tired.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Go. Yeah! Down. Here we go.
Come on, you load. Goddamn rooster, man. Look at him.
Hey. I gotta pay attention a little bit though. Oh yeah, this is not a vacation up here. This is play your ass off. Down! Big Roddys vlog.
We're leaving Lakeshore.
We are leaving.
Lakehead.
We are leaving Lakehead.
We're on Lakeshore Drive.
After a pretty sick lake session, probably the most enjoyable one yet. We went surfing, we rode a jet ski. Pretty
Sea-Doo.
fucking good.
Sea-Doo.
I got some clips of that as well. Not the Sea-Doo, but you know. We're gapping big rigs at 5,000 RPM. Yes, sir. Dialed in. Ah! So we're driving here. We noticed something. First thing we noticed is we're like, man, that truck has a lot of lights on the back of it. And now we realize that every single one of those lights is a different light. How about that?
On God.
So we've kind of given up on our whole music situation here, and we're now listening to 106.3. And where are we right now?
Almost Sacramento.
Yeah, almost Sac. Oh no, there was a word for it. What was it? It was very funny. Fuck. Whatever. Now look at this.
Oh, we're in Dunningham.
A-Rap represent. I have no idea what that
Wait,
is.
can you see it good?
But it's very funny.
Oh, let me get closer.
Oh,
Oh, he's praying!
I know.
Hey, man, I'm praying right now because our truck is clapperfied right now. We don't even know if we'll make it home.
Oh yeah, like our fucking alignment is way off. Big brand, bro.
We fucking got a little too sendy in Shasta, too. It did not help.
Yeah, we kind of jumped her a few times. I mean, you guys already know that.
Yeah.
But, you know,
ain't here for a long time. They're here for a good time.
Yeah, you know. Big Roddys vlog. We here.
We fucking made it.
This is perhaps the end of the Shasta excursion.
It's 12:05.
12:05. We just drove 6 hours to get back to Slow. And I have my Tundra over here. I'm using the wrong side.
Dude,
of
it
the
was
camera.
more than 6 hours. It was 8.
No, it was 8 hours. It wasn't 8 hours.
It was. We left at 4, remember? And
Well, it's because
midnight.
we stopped, but it was actually 6 hours of driving.
Perhaps.
Per Japs.
It was an 8-hour road trip.
I got my bonsai material back here.
2 of them.
Forgot to record that.
Bonsai.
Bonsai. But yeah.
Good drive.
Good drive.
Tires are okay.
Tires are, in fact, all right. We forgot to update. But yeah.
Check it out. We have created
Big Roddys vlog!
propagation. We are trying to propagate this fantasy unit. It will probably die. We're propagating these
Look, the
guys.
steam's already happening.
Dude, yeah, you
That's
see that?
awesome.
She's misting up in there.
That's beautiful.
Hopefully they don't boil.
Hopefully.
Yes. Propagation
Nation.
Toodles.
Toodles.